y'all, this is Breed Along for The Happier Attorney. This is a channel where we talk about flat fees and mindset and how we can be better attorneys and happier attorneys. And this month we are talking about the 4 biggest issues that attorneys have when they start using flat fees, the big mistakes. So the third, I'm jumping ahead, is pretty short and simple. Is not having clear parameters in their fee agreement and in practice. Doesn't matter if it's in your fee agreement if you're not practicing it, and having parameters in terms of time and in terms of the scope of work. And while a lot of attorneys, they'll put in the scope of the work, they leave it open-ended. You need to have an actual date in there. This agreement is for the next 4 months, the next 6 months, the next whatever, okay? And as anyone who's read The Happier Attorney knows, what I say is, you guesstimate how long it's gonna take and then give yourself a little buffer, okay? And yes, unexpected things are gonna happen, okay? Whoever saw COVID happening and courts, being backed up. And then you can adjust, okay? If it was an act of God and you like the client, I'm going to tell you adjust and push it out a little bit, okay? But that gives you an end date. And that's how you don't get stuck in a case year after year after year for, $2,000, okay? So say, for instance, you have a case that you think will get done in 6 months. Okay, so you make the fee agreement for 7 months, and it's upon settlement, upon final orders, upon mediation, or 7 months, whichever happens first in time. So if you settle a case in week 2, okay, great, you're done. If it takes 7 months, it takes 7 months, okay? So you have to have those parameters in the agreement. Very clear and the duties, okay? This only covers this criminal case. If you go out and commit a new crime, doesn't cover it. If they charge you additional counts, doesn't cover it. If you violate a restraining order, it doesn't cover it, okay? Be very specific. So that is the third issue, is not having clear parameters in your fee agreement and in practice, okay? If you want to learn more about flat fees and how to use them properly, go to breedalong.com, link right below, and learn all about the program. At the very least, read the book, The Happier Attorney. And there's other recommended reading in the website. So take care, y'all.